Hi guys, in this video we are going to look at how to make a donut chart just like this one where we can see each color indicates a different region mentioned in the legends. And we are also going to take it to the next step and create something like this where we can use the same donut chart to indicate a percentage of something. Let's say the percentage of work done out of 100. Guys, now we are on a new workbook. Let's first connect to the data. Alright guys, let me show you how the data looks here. As we can see here, we have two columns, one containing the different regions and the second column containing the respective sales that has happened in those regions. And we are going to use this data to plot our donut chart. Alright, we are into the sheet now. Head on to the marks card and change it to pi. Drag the sales into the angle and drag region into color. Let me also change the view from standard to entire, and voila, we have a pie chart. But wait, isn't this video about creating a donut chart? Well, donut chart is nothing but a pie chart with a circle drawn inside, right? And we are going to do it by using something called the dual axis. To do that, let's create two placeholder axes called sum of 0, and let me just control drag the same. And here we have two different axes and two different pie charts. So let's make this second pie chart into a normal circle and give it a color of white. Let's also increase the size of the first. Little tip here guys is if we select a particular axis in the rows, we can see its respective marks field is being opened in the marks card. Enable dual axis. Let's also don't forget to synchronize the axis. And yeah, we have ourselves a donut chart. I would also like to do some formatting changes here. Let's hide the headers and let's go format. Hide the headers. Let's go format, borders, and remove row divider pane and column divider pane. And let's also go into the lines and remove the zero line. Let me also increase the size of the chart a little. And I just like black background. Let me format this sheet into black and change the color of the inner circle to black, and we get ourselves this nice little donut chart. Alright, we are in a new sheet again. Let's see how we can create a percentage chart. Alright, let's get the data for it. I'm creating a new data source here, Microsoft Excel, and this new sheet. And as we can see, the data only has two metrics. One is the current progress done, which is this number, and the other is the total progress that was planned to be done. All right, let's get back to the sheet and repeating the same steps. Let's head to Mox code and change it to pi. And this time, let's drag the measure values into the angles, and let's only have the current and full metrics in the measure values pane, and let's drag measure names into color. Let me also change the view to entire, and we can notice that the sum of the full and current doesn't add up to 100, whereas but to show the progress, the entire circle should be 100. So what we can do here is we can create another calculated field and let's call it remaining to calculated fields, and it would be equal to full minus current. And once we create it, let's replace the sum of full with the sum of remaining. And one tip here is we can change the matrix order in the measure values and we can see the same being replicated over the chart. And now we have to do the same dual axis trick to change the pie chart into a donut chart. Let's head to the rows and create a sum of 0 and let's control drag that again. I'm changing the second one into white and I'm increasing the size of the first one. Now let's enable the dual axis and let me do some formatting changes here. And now we have ourselves a donut chart. And the trick here is we have to make this part of the donut chart to sort of blend with the background. And if you're going with a white background, you have to change this color to white. I like to have a black background. So first let me change the background to black and let's also change the color of the inner circle to black and we are gonna head into the legends and double click the remaining and select black. And we are also gonna change the color of the current into white. And in the middle, we also had a percentage that depicts the current work done. And we are going to do it by dragging the current into the label of the second, that is the inner circle. And let's increase the font. I would like to, I would like to use Tableau bold and 72 all the way up and bold. Let's also add a percentage symbol. And there we go. We have ourselves the progress chart. If you like this content, hit the like button and don't forget to comment down what shot you want to see next.